microbial resistance crisis is expected to kill more than 10 million people each year by 2050. Therefore, we urgently need alternative strategies to prevent and treat bacterial diseases. Antibiotic resistance E. coli and Salmonella often spread from the intestine of farm animals to humans.
With the support of the Gebert Rüf Microbials program, we've been able to develop a completely novel type of oral Salmonella vaccine that actually controls how Salmonella evolves in the gut lumen. The secretory antibodies that are induced by our vaccine bind to the surface of Salmonella and lead to the evolution of variants that have a weakened cell surface that are much worse at driving disease and are also less likely to be transmitted to new hosts.
So we also discovered that we can make these vaccines even better by combining them with what we call a next generation probiotic. This probiotic will be helper bacteria that are engineered to be non-pathogenic and not resistant to antibiotics. They have to be good at competing with the pathogens for space and resources in the gut. And so by combining our evolutionary trap vaccine with these next generation probiotics, we can completely eliminate Salmonella from the intestine of an animal. And this generates an excellent protection from the disease, but also prevent the transmission to new human or animal hosts.
This strategy is now in the final stages of testing in domestic pigs, and we hope within the next few years to see this being rolled out generally in veterinary medicine in Switzerland and worldwide. And of course, that's not the end of the story. Very similar strategies can be developed for other pathogenic bacteria, such as E. coli, with applications both in preventing further disease in both animals and humans, and potentially also in microbiota engineering.